Hey guys, and welcome to another one of my quick and easy recipe demonstrations. Today I will be sharing an easy Adana kebab recipe grilled over some live coals. So Adana kebab is a Turkish dish. It is grilled lamb seasoned with bright sumac and some carefully picked aromatic spices. The right level of salt and proper mixing ensures that the kebabs come out juicy with a pleasantly springy texture. As always, all of the ingredients I used are listed in the description below. Firstly, I'm going to lay the mincemeat out on a large chopping board like so. You can use a large bowl if you like. I just found it easier to mix like this. So I've pureed some onions. I'm going to put them into a cheesecloth and squeeze out all of the excess water. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the peppers. I'm doing this because vegetables tend to release water, which will not let the kebabs take shape properly when moulding them around the skewers. We're going to marinate the meat now, so I'm just going to put the vegetables on first, and then I'm going to add all of the ingredients that I've listed in the description below. I'm going to spend a good 10 minutes combining all them ingredients together. So once all that's mixed nicely, I left this to marinate overnight in the fridge. So it's now time to shape the kebabs onto the metal flat skewers. Now this might look easy, but it took me a few times to master this, so don't be disheartened if you can't do it the first time. Once I got the coal hot enough, I cooked these for 10 minutes on each side, ensuring not to overcook. And once I achieved this colour, I was sure that they were fully cooked through and they were ready to serve. These Adana kebabs are best served on hot and fresh naan. I have also made this Turkish sauce. I have listed the ingredients below that I used to make that. And we're all done. I served it with some salad and some Turkish sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.